Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're looking at a productivity powerhouse designed to transform classrooms, conference rooms, and collaborative environments, the 55-inch 4K UHD Interactive Smart Whiteboard. If you've been searching for a professional, all-in-one touch display that enhances teaching, presentations, and teamwork, this smartboard brings everything together in one seamless device. Right away, the 55-inch 4K UHD display stands out with its crisp clarity, vibrant color accuracy, and wide viewing angles, making visuals, text, and diagrams incredibly easy to see from anywhere in the room. Whether you're presenting data, annotating documents, or hosting a remote session, the sharp resolution ensures every detail is clear and engaging. This smartboard supports multi-touch functionality, allowing multiple users to write, draw, and interact with the screen at the same time. That means improved collaboration during planning sessions, more engaging lessons in classrooms, and smoother brainstorming sessions in business environments. The touch response is quick and precise, giving you a natural writing and drawing experience that feels intuitive and fluid. Built-in smart features allow you to load presentations, access apps, open cloud files, and share content wirelessly from laptops, tablets, and phones. Whether you're running meetings or delivering digital lessons, switching between tools feels effortless. Many models include built-in Android systems, offering apps, annotation tools, screen sharing, and multimedia playback without needing an external computer. The audio system plays a big role too. Integrated speakers ensure clear sound for videos, online meetings, and instructional content. Whether you're teaching a class or presenting to a team, everything stays sharp and easy to follow. A major advantage is the included wall mount, which makes installation straightforward and secure. Once mounted, the smartboard becomes a clean, professional centerpiece for any room. Its durable build quality ensures long-term stability and reliability, even in high-usage educational or office environments. For classrooms, it enhances interactivity, student engagement, and digital learning. For offices, it improves presentations, video conferencing, and team communication. If you're upgrading a learning space or creating a modern meeting room setup, this 55-inch 4K UHD Interactive Smart Whiteboard delivers the tools you need for a more connected and productive workflow. Check the Amazon link below for pricing and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews here on GadgetVerse. See you in the next one.